Good morning. It's Ethan here. Today is Tuesday, December 12th, 2024. Today was finals day for me. That means I have a very big test today. And it was the last day of class for me. That means this will be my last demolition update of the year. After I finish my test, I just leave. And let's see how I do on that big test, as it was graded. After it, I just headed to the Avatar Hotel nearby and filmed the elevators there. Driveway's still open, by the way, and no one's going to it right now. The key card gates I took the other day were now locked up, so I just walked to the other side of the hotel and found a gate that's wide open, and I walked into it, and I have accidentally found another elevator there. So that hotel actually has 2 elevators, not just one. And I have filmed them both on one video, making the video 10 minutes long. And after filming the elevators, I just exited the hotel, and it started raining again. A little hard. So I just stopped by the outside of the lobby of the hotel and take out my umbrella and walk towards the the reference area of the Tropicana and the Mirage. And I got mad at those references once again in the rain, and the rain got lighter and eventually stopped when I just making that short. And then I just headed back. And on the way back, there was some guy wanted to find a Taco Bell. And he said, "Can you look for a Taco Bell on your phone?" So I just pulled out my phone and try to go onto Google Maps, and I just try to reinstall Google Maps on my phone, as it was offloaded the other day to free up some space. And also I have offloaded Apple Maps too, to see which map app reinstalls faster. And then he says, "Anything there?" And I said, "It takes time, as it takes time for the apps to reinstall from offloading." And then he just want to look for Taco Bell on his own phone anyway. So he just left. And he just say bye. And then I said like, okay. There was a Taco Bell on Great America Parkway. And I have walked there sometimes from the Hyatt Regency Hotel. And I went there every Friday a few years back because I have a lot of time for myself. I just left home at 3 o'clock, 3 something, and came back home at 5 something. And I stopped by the Taco Bell just to get some drinks, using the cups I got from that Hyatt Regency, as there are cups there for water, and they have like ice cold water there, and I just took a few more cups and put in my bag. And on Tuesday, it was my birthday. And just to celebrate that, I have made another long video of walking to the Marriott from here. And I also do that for the Tropicana Implosion 2-month mark since the droppage. And I have passed by other Mirage and Tropicana references on the way, and stopped by the Avatar Hotel and rode one of the elevators there. And then I rode the elevators at the Marriott in the other tower. It was 14 floors tall. And it doesn't have a 413, according to the elevator. And the left tower only have 10 floors. Once I get back to the lobby, the video barely stops due to storage space shortage. And I was about to stop the video by the entrance, but I have everything done anyway, and I was about to fill in all the descriptions and stuff in the computer in the Marriott, but it takes too long for the video to upload on my phone, so I just headed back anyway. And make the Demolition update. I was about to film the elevators at the Avatar Hotel that time, but I gave up due to the shortage of storage space. Again, I used the printing computer in the BT building to fill in the descriptions for my long video. And at night, we went to Eastridge Mall and ate at a buffet for dinner for my birthday. And I ate as much as I can. And I got really full and feel I can't eat anymore. And I always eat a lot at a buffet, heavy eating. And afterward, we went down and took a picture by the big Christmas tree near the middle of the mall and walked around a little. And the mall was closing, by the way. So I don't have any time to ride the elevators there. As in a few years back, I rode the elevators filming them for my birthday. And Mom just left and just doing her own thing, while the rest of us just head home. And get ready for doors. And yesterday, we went here again just to do something. And before that, we ate lunch at the Pan Express nearby. And I checked out the site again yesterday. And there are not much workers on site. And wow, that's a lot to talk about because it's crazy. And we're gonna go on a walk again to the Marriott from home tomorrow because yes, it's my birthday week and the week of the 2-month mark since the implosion. And now, on to the update. And someone is working on the ceiling over there. Near the front. It's like someone's cutting some metal or whatever with a machine. And that's how loud. Yeah, I have yapped for 10 minutes straight before the actual update. Wow, that's how long. 'Cause it's crazy. And here's the water feature. And if I hear water feature, I think of the march. As there was a water feature at the march, and it's called the Volcano Lagoon. Yeah. It's now a March reference. As the first thing come to mind if I hear the word water feature, March Volcano Lagoon. And here's the fire truck over there. And there's a lot of people crowded around it before today. And now let's head to the front. And I wonder when the renovation will be done. The same time as the Mirage finishing its revamp? Nah, I don't think so. Maybe sometime next year. I'm not quite sure. As the March will finish its revamp in spring of 2027. And the stadium on the Tropicana site will be completed the next year over, spring of 2028, just in time for the 2028 season.
You're not on the list. I mean, she doesn't call that much, you know? Like a special dinner party.
And that shopping cart was still there. But all those empty cans are now gone. Because someone just cleaned them all up and just throw them away. And looks like a shopping cart with some TJMaxx in San Jose. And here's the address of it. And how did that shopping cart end up there? From all the way from San Jose. I don't know. Someone just want to take a shopping cart on the way there. Pushing it around. TJMaxx Home Goods. And those two places are owned by the same person. Or whatever. Let's get up. See what's going on. And the pickup truck has a Christmas wreath on the grill. And it looks like someone wanted to decorate their cars for Christmas. Yeah, some people like to do that by putting Christmas decorations on it. And some cars look like a reindeer by just putting those on the grill and the antlers on the windows. That's action. Over there. Here we go again with this headquarters of the construction workers. And it's not going on or Bally's. Over there, it's SC Builders. Again, the video stopped again due to another storage space shortage. I'm very sorry for your inconvenience. What a slight inconvenience. It's annoying. It happens a lot now. Yeah, I know. And there's a shopping cart over there, and It was a Walmart shopping cart. It must be from the nearby Walmart over there. And it's have an empty Cheeto bag with some leaves in it. And someone is just standing by it holding it. Okay, let's get back into the update. After that delay from that shit that happened, yes, I have to offload the apps on my phone again. And put up that first segment of the update onto YouTube, saving it as private. And once I get home, I will download it onto my computer and merge the two segments together again with a video editor. And it happened again for the third time. Now, that's a lot. And there's a sign over there, and it said pink art for trash pipe. Courtesy shuttle, pink art for trash pipe. Pass holders only. And it's from Levi Stadium, and I wonder how it ended up here. Laying flat on the ground, looking dirty, because a lot of people step on it or whatever, and it rained too, looking kind of wet with dirty spots on it. Yuck. It's look yucky. Don't really touch it, so you don't want to get yourself dirty or whatever. And support anyone that has some kind of pass just to park in one of the parking lots there. And I have deleted the first segment of the update after it was saved to private on YouTube to free up some space. And don't tell me you're gonna rain on me again while I'm making this update. And I don't want my stuff to get ruined by the rain. Like that one time when there was a fire drill in the rain. Yeah, why not cancel it? Cause it's rainy. Why do it anyway? Yeah, smell like fruity over there. I'm getting hungry from all of that. Smell. And I'm heading back to the back entrance of the site. And also, I have deleted the elevator video I made today that was 10 minutes long after it was uploaded to YouTube. Because yeah, I don't want my storage space to run out again. Hopefully. Let's see what's going on now. No action in this part. Let's get out pretty. And puddles in the building as it was raining. I hope they have a good time waking the rain. And I hope they don't slip or whatever, or myself, when I'm walking through the wet grounds, like myself slipping in the link parking garage when I was filming the elevators there, and it was a funny accident. It was stupid. And yeah, it now became a meme. Wahoo! That's how I made why I slipped in a puddle on floor 3 of the parking garage, because someone from floor 3 tried to use the elevator, but looks like there's no person there now. And it makes the elevator come back to floor 3 when I was about to get back down. And if the person wasn't there, I would just get back down and it will be just normal elevator video. Yeah, looks like the construction workers are doing okay in the rain. Hopefully. And I have 20% battery left on my phone again. And hope my phone don't die on me while making this video for you. Yeah, it's still enough anyway. And here's some light over there on a stand. Looks like a construction light. And there's a trash bin with some kind of equipment in there, and a cart with whatever that is. Yeah, construction whatever. And fan non-use is off again. I wonder when the next time they will use the fans. And it looks like there's only one fan inside the building now. And there's some construction workers near the front doing their thing. Looks like more ceiling work over there too. And so they're talking too. And I think they are done with the metal frames for the little limbs inside, I think. Not quite sure. They're having a nice time working. Yeah, here's some little drilling over there. And someone is working on the ceiling over there. Two people on two separate machines, whatever those things are, that lifts the person up to the ceiling. And looks like those two windows are opened just to let some air out or whatever. And looks like two more Mirage updates came out on Tuesday at night. And they are both short, and nothing much happened since the update on Monday. And one of the videos is just mostly that hard rock shit on the walls, and there's a lot of trash along it. And that's what the video is about. And it says it on the thumbnail. And it shows mostly that shit on the wall. And except for one of the frames, showing the Mirage itself. And those two videos are from another channel, different from the one on Monday. And it's from a channel called Vegas Ready. Beep, 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 beep. And looks like I have spent too long making this update, talking way too much, enjoying myself. Looks like more metal parts has dropped too, and more drilling, of course. And we will all go to Mission College again tomorrow and look at the site again at night while doing another walk all together and see the site at night again with no construction workers because they don't want to work at night like the Mirage does. And it's a little water puddle over there. And and the spray paint on the ground. And it's fading away. And it's green one too. And blue. A lot of red. And orange. And looks like it's fading away by the rain. Beep, 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 beep. They're standing there talking to each other about what to do or whatever. Looks like they're doing more build up over there or whatsoever. Ow, that's a lot of ceiling work over there. Yeah, looks like they're having a nice time working. And don't tell me a Tropicana Demolition update gonna come out today, and that noise is loud. And I wonder when the next top demo update gonna come out. And not on Tuesday, but 2 Mirage ones that are short. Yeah, someone should make a Tropicana Demolition update because it was the 2-month anniversary of it. And now I have celebrated it by taking that long walk and rewatching the implosion. Busy. Yeah, enjoying the wind. Working so hard. Someone's moving that thing. Make on the next section of the ceiling. And here's a construction wiki by the portable over there. And he's chilling. And he's keep on moving that thing. Find another part of the ceiling to work on. And I hear more metal pipes. Okay, let's end the video here for now. And so bye for now. And this is my last update of the year. So see you next time for whenever I come here again just to see the update. And let's see what will happen for the months to come. And let's see what the site will look like towards the completion. And also, see you tomorrow for the long walk all together. And also, see you in Vegas for some updates for the Trop and or the Mirage if we go there again this month. My name is Ethan, and bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy your time. Enjoy the rest of the year. So have fun, y'all.